Welcome to our channel Banana Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create these beautiful waves created by these moving boards by using the dynamic paint properties, and how we can create this. So let's start. So first, I delete this plane and also delete this path, and now I add a plane and scale this something like this. Nice, and enter into the edit mode of this plane, and I subdivide this plane up to the number of cuts 100. Nice. Back to the object mode and also make it shade smooth. Nice. Now press 7 for top view and press shift A. Here I add a curve and I add a path. Beautiful. And now I scale this path something like this and enter into the edit mode of this path, and I move this vertex something like here to make a some curvy path of this board, and also move it something like here. Beautiful. Now back to the object mode of this curve, and now I select this board, and here I add the follow path constraints, and here I choose the follow curve, and here I choose the target our curve. Beautiful. And animate this path. Now you can see that the board is moving on the curve. I take this animation up to the 100 frame. Nice. Now it's time to add the dynamic paint properties to our system. So first I select my plane and enter into the physics properties, and here I choose the dynamic paints, and for plane I choose its canvas and add the canvas, and here in surface type I choose wave. Nice. And now I choose my boat, and here in dynamics paint I select the type brush and add the brush. Beautiful. Now I run the simulation, and here you can see that the beautiful waves are creating by the object which is boat. So in this way you can create a nice wave by floating object on the surface of any water or any ocean. Thanks for watching.